Electric AC motors consume 45% of the world's electrical energy. They are everywhere. So is Yaskawa. For more than 100 years, Yaskawa has focused on motion control, robots, and power conversion products that provide value by improving productivity, using energy efficiently, and adding convenience.
Yaskawa America delivers world-class automation products to the commercial, industrial, and energy industries. The world-class quality benefits our customers on a daily basis, and they can rely on us. They know when they get their product, it's fit for use, and it's reliable for years and years to come.
Yaskawa products help build and power the things you rely on, from your mobile device to your car, to the water you drink, to the food you eat, even the air you breathe. Our motion, robots, and solar products are at the core, powering our daily lives.
One of the things that is a competitive advantage for Yaskawa is our people. We really look for a very well-rounded, diverse group of people to join the organization and then develop them to stay within the organization to increase that customer satisfaction. Total North America, we have about 1,000 employees. Within the Drives and Motion group, we have about 675 full-time associates, encompassing everything from supply chain to manufacturing to engineering to customer satisfaction to aftermarket support. When we are recruiting, we're looking for not only the tactical skills or the hard skills, someone who comes out of the drives business, someone who comes out of the motion control industry, but we're also looking for a very unique Yaskawa cultural fit. Yaskawa's employee retention rate is very, very high. It's about 96% on any given year, and that is inclusive of all of our employees here in the United States. Employee retention really benefits the customer experience because we've got long-term associates within the organization who have a really personal vested interest in seeing the customer being satisfied.
Yaskawa products increase energy efficiency and improve process control, saving our customers money and improving their quality control. Those product values carry over every day in our company values. We continuously improve our processes to reduce waste and sustain our high-quality standards.
To our customers, timely support is very important. Not only timely support, but as well as accurate support. We have a technical support staff that offers free phone support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Tracking customer feedback is really important to us. By monitoring this survey feedback, we get the voice of the customer. 79% of our calls are resolved on the first call, with an overall customer satisfaction rating of 4.5 out of 5. Our customers know that when they contact us, they're going to get answers and they're going to leave happy.
All the teams within Yaskawa are coming together, inside sales, outside sales, product management, and all of operations, production, supply chain, strategic sourcing, and we're coming up with a plan to get our product on time so we can meet our customers' expectations.
At Yaskawa, we make your jobs easier, your processes more efficient, and your machines run better. Yaskawa makes the complicated simple.